How to fix WhatsApp microphone not working in Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to open settings on your Android phone. Scroll down, tap Apps. Now select App Management and now search for WhatsApp. Open the app info page of WhatsApp. Select Permissions. Make sure you have enable microphone permission. If it is turned off, then you have to simply choose microphone and tap allow button. And then you can make sure that other permissions are also allowed so that there won't be any kind of issues regarding the microphone. Once done, you need to restart your phone. A simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Simply, you need to hold the power button on your device and swipe towards restart, turn your phone and wait for a seconds. Then you need to turn it back on after a few seconds. After that, you need to check the microphone on other apps. You can test your microphone in other apps like the Test or Voice Recorder to see if the problem is specific to WhatsApp or if it is general microphone issues. And once done, you need to make sure your WhatsApp cache is cleared. Tap and hold on WhatsApp and select I button. This will lead you to the app info page of WhatsApp. Tap storage uses and tap clear cache and check if the microphone works. Lastly, you can uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. So again, tap and hold WhatsApp and the trash button and tap uninstall and reinstall from your Play Store. And that's it. That is how we can easily fix microphone not working issues on WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.